Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add discount code on Etihad Airways. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Etihad? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type etihad.com and that's going to take you into the official website for Etihad. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that right here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to add discount code on Etihad. So from here, let's say we want to place a booking. In here, you're going to have to select if it's a round trip or a one-way trip or a multi-city trip. Let's say one way. And the guest, you're going to have to select if you're going alone, just one. And if you're not going alone, just add the number of persons you're going with. And if you're going with a child or children, go ahead and use the plus icon to add, use the minus icon to remove. And if you're going with infants under 2 years, add or remove. If you're going with infants with seats under 2 years, go ahead and click on the plus icon to add and the minus icon to remove. Then click here and select if you're using economy, business, or first class. So where you have flying from, add the location or you're flying from and your destination where you're flying to. So go ahead and put that in. Let's say and I'm flying to London. So outbound, you're gonna have to select the date. And how can you now add discount code? Over here where you have promo code, it's the easiest way for you to do that. Go ahead and click on promo code. So type in your promo code. Let's say promo code is 1234, which is not correct. So click on that and click on search flights. So we have this window where I have a list of flights that we can choose. Now it says promo code is not valid for the flight selected. So like I said, that promo code was not correct, but just ensure that you added a correct promo code. And it's going to take you to the flights where where the promo code applies. So go ahead and select the flight and follow through with the prompt to place your booking. So that's how you can add discount code on Etihad. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.